In Regina, the COVID-19 death toll continues to mount inside care homes. Intensive care units and other hospital beds are nearly full. But organizers are planning a mass demonstration tomorrow in Regina against masks, vaccines, and other COVID-19 restrictions. It appears the gathering will violate a number of provincial health laws, just like an event earlier in Saskatoon. As this YouTube video shows, hundreds of unmasked protesters chanted freedom as they were escorted by police through the city. This also appeared to violate the public health laws, but no one was arrested and no tickets have yet been issued. As for the Regina protest tomorrow, one lawyer says police will have to make some tough decisions, but he says people should not be allowed to openly defy the law without consequence.
If a law is in place, it should be enforced, is the position of those involved in the justice system. That is, at its core, the rule of law is if we have laws without enforcement, there is no law. Obviously, we need to have people have an opportunity to be heard. Due process is a very important part and very important function in our civilized society. But where appropriate, people should be charged if there's reasonable grounds to believe an offense has been committed.
A Regina doctor is begging protesters to stay home. She notes that similar events in places like Steinbach, Manitoba have become super spreader events of COVID-19.
Everyone is really frustrated right now, and that's normal. This has been a very difficult time, I think, for everyone, and having to follow these very, rigorous rules has been very challenging for most people. And I would really emphasize to the people thinking about coming to think again.
Regina police say that they're aware of the protests and that they have a plan, but they aren't saying any more. As for Health Minister Paul Merriman and Regina Mayor Sandra Masters, they say they're aware of the protests and they hope everyone follows the rules. So it's clear what protesters plan to do. They plan to gather in large numbers, without masks, without distancing, in violation of the public health laws. What is unclear is what police and government do or don't plan to do. Jason Warick, CBC News, Saskatoon.